We are receiving unverified early reports of ground shaking possibly caused by seismic activity in or near Cabanatuan City, central Luzon, Philippines on the 16th of March 2023, GMT, at approximately 4:20 Greenwich Mean Time. There are no details yet on the magnitude or depth of this possible quake. If confirmed, we can expect more accurate data to emerge in the next few minutes. The location, magnitude and time mentioned are indicative based on our best fit seismic model. They are temporary until our AllQuakes monitoring service receives more exact scientific data from a national or international seismological agency. Check back here shortly and stay safe. Please like, share, sbsicraibe and press bell, our channel, for more information.